Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am Azalaja Snow, or you can call me Snow for easy pronunciation. And today's video is all about Herschel Supply company, because Herschel Supply sent me a package, and actually it was a surprise gift, and some of you also sent me a DM asking or wondering why this Herschel Supply sent me a package. Well, there is a story behind that, and of course I will show you also the unboxing video of the package. Well, it was all started on Instagram when Herschel Supply company posted on IG. They are introducing a Herschel Homework. It is an art program where you can celebrate your creativity from the comfort of your home. And they are inviting everyone to redesign their brand in any form you like and in any way you like. So I decided to join, and before that I prayed to God to give me an idea and to guide me. So I redesigned my Herschel Supply backpack using a paper magazine. I chose the healthy recipe article because I am a health conscious, I am a health and wellness enthusiast, and I want something minimalist yet eye-catchy. So after I redesigned my backpack, I posted it on my Instagram account, and I followed some instructions, and then few days after they sent me a DM. They said that they love my interpretation of Herschel homework, so they gonna send me a surprise gift or a package. So the best thing was I received the package during quarantine, and I was so speechless, excited, nervous, as in mixed emotions that time. So here is the unboxing video. I got a package from Herschel Supply company, and I don't have any idea what inside of this box because they said that this is a surprise gift for me because of my hard work from Herschel Homework. And I am so excited and a little bit nervous because I don't know what inside of this box. So let's unbox it using this cutter. But there's a commercial invoice here. So the description is Nova Mid PVC Ash Rose CL. So it means this is a backpack. CL PVC, I think it's the clear collection bags that they are selling. So we will find it out, and let's cut it. Oh my gosh, I am right! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is it! Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's a clear bag, Nova Mid Volume. I remember my childhood days because I remember my mom bought me a clear backpack when I was in LM, and right now I have again a clear backpack, but it's from Herschel Supply. So thank you so much Herschel Supply for this. Oh my gosh, it's cool. Oh, the capacity is 18 liters, so I can put a lot here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It is so elegant, very fashionable. Oh, see? This is so good. so much, Herschel Supply Company, for this gift. I really love it, and I am so speechless right now. Thank you for this opportunity that you chose my redesigned bag, and thank you for this. You know, it pays my hard work for designing my Herschel backpack. So thank you. Here it is. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you guys.